Did you know count can return completely different numbers on the exact same table without throwing any error? The count function is an aggregate function in SQL that returns the number of rows in a result set. Think of it as asking the database, how many records match this condition? You place it in a select statement and it collapses many rows down to a single number. It is one of the most commonly tested SQL functions in technical interviews. Here is where most beginners get tripped up. Count has two forms with a critical difference. Count star counts every row in the table, including rows where values are null. But count with a specific column name, like count of email, skips any row where that column is null. So on a table with 100 rows but only 70 filled in emails, count star returns 100 while count of email returns 70. Same table, very different answers. Combine count with group by, and you unlock powerful grouped analysis. Say you have an orders table and want to know how many orders each customer placed. You write, I select customer ID, count star as total orders, a from orders, group by customer ID. The database groups the rows by customer and counts each group separately, giving you one result row per customer with their total. This pattern is everywhere in real-world analytics and reporting. Count returns row totals. Count star includes nulls while count of a column excludes them, and group by breaks those counts down by category. Follow for more SQL fundamentals. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.